Simplifying expressions. Write each expression as a single trigonometric function and evaluate. State exact answers if possible, otherwise state approximate answers to 4 decimal places. So this is actually asking 2 questions, single trig function, and then we're going to evaluate. Not every time are you going to be asked to do evaluate as well. So take a look at this question. I can see that it looks like one of my formulas. So you would need a formula sheet. Go get your formula sheet. Have a look here. Let's match this up. So sine 48 cos 17. These are 2 different angles. So basically I'm looking at this must be a sine alpha and this is a cos beta minus cos alpha. This must be sine beta. Find that formula on your formula sheet. So when I look through all of my options here, I see that I have right here sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta. So this equals sine alpha minus beta. So this is equal to the sine alpha minus beta formula. So let's substitute our numbers in. We had said that alpha was 48. So we've got sine 48 degrees minus beta was 17. So sine 48 minus 17 is equal to sine 31 degrees. This is my single trig function right here. It says to evaluate, so for me to evaluate that, I would need a calculator, as that's not going to be on our triangles or anything like that. So you put that in your calculator and you get 0.5150. So that's what it would look like if we evaluate it. Let's look at B. Cos squared pi by 3 minus sine squared pi by 3. These are the same angles, so we'll use the same symbol. So this is representing cos squared alpha minus sine squared alpha. You're going to need your formula sheet again. So if we look through your list of formulas, you're going to find right here that this represents cos 2 alpha. So this is equal to the cos 2 alpha formula. Alpha is the angle pi by 3. So this is cos 2 pi by 3. So this is cos of 2 pi by 3. So that is my single trig function again. To evaluate this, we can use our special triangles. So your reference angle is pi by 3. So cos, you're going to look at adjacent over hypotenuse, so 1/2. You have to remember that 2 pi by 3 is also in quadrant 2. So in quadrant 2, cos is negative. So that's what it would look like for your evaluate step.